Hey guys, Steven here with Lowcountry Paver. Today we're doing a hardscape tour in Charleston, South Carolina. We have a few job sites to visit. First stop here on Folly Beach. We have a beautiful permeable driveway recently installed utilizing our HYDRASHED 4x8 permeable product. The color here is battery gray. You see the installer used a resin joint sand, a nice dark black color, gives it that joint pop, and it is permeable. Traditional permeable installs call for an 89 stone in the joint. Here, the contractor, Three Creek, they used a resin joint sand. So you can see you get no loose gravel, no loose gradient of rock all over the driveway, and instead you get a nice clean joint that's still permeable. So the water, when it's raining or we pour water on it, it goes right through. Like many coastal communities, Folly Beach does require the use of permeable products. Our HYDRASHED is a great product to be used through patios, walkways, and driveways. We also run a charcoal border here. So this is our 4x8 charcoal, really dark color. Does still contrast with the lighter gray infill. Looks great, especially up against the dark joint. The installer out here on this Folly Beach project was Three Creek, owned and operated by Ryan Shermis. So that is one of our other preferred installers in the Charleston market. They're a full service hardscape company offering concrete, pavers, lighting, and turf. Feel free to give them a call. We'll plug their information down below in the video. We're here on our next job site, sticking to Folly Beach. Another one of our permeable products being installed on a driveway. Again, this is one of Three Creek's installs. This time it is our King Street Cobble, 6x6 permeable. It is, the color on this one is Charleston Pearl, featuring a charcoal border. So in the joint again, instead of this 89 stone here, he used HYDRASHED by SEK Sherbon. So it is a resin joint sand. It's air activated, maintains the permeability in the joint. It goes on wet. So if it's raining or there's water on the job site, it can still be installed, and it sets up in the joint and it maintains its permeability. This version of our hardy wall is classic. It comes tumbled or classic. This classic version is a much more modern look. This color here on the wall is also Charleston Pearl, so it wraps all the way around, adds as a nice buffer between the bed and the driveway space. We're actually gonna go down the road and check on another King Street Cobble driveway that was installed not too long ago. This is a magical view, but the real magic is down below. Let's go take a look. It's our third driveway here on Folly Beach that we're visiting today. This one also features our King Street Cobble. The color on this one though is our battery gray. In this joint, they went with an 89 stone instead of the resin sand. So this is the more traditional install. Again, bordered with our 6x9 cobble. So you're getting that pillow top finish throughout the border and the field. This is a beautiful driveway, adds space. I know now they have additional parking on the right-hand side of their garage that they didn't have previously. King Street Cobble does a great job of being permeable, adding function, and being beautiful. That's it for Folly Beach. Let's head to the next site. We're here on our next stop of the Hardscape Tour, almost to James Island in Charleston, South Carolina. Here on this huge driveway featuring our two-piece cobble. The color is New Sierra, and they used a platinum poly sand here. SEK poly sand, poly sweep, great product. Again, two-piece New Sierra. So this two-piece cobble is our traditional cobble look. It is a pillow top, so you'll notice the rounded edges. So it's a really historic look. This is like a classic paver, one of our best-selling options, always and forever. It is bordered by our 6x9 Lowcountry cobble. So the 6x9 is part of the two-piece series, but we do sell it separately so you can package it as a border on your job sites. They opted to go for the same color border as the field to match, so you don't have contrasting colors on site, which I think is a great touch and looks really good with the house. So the color New Sierra is a cream, tan, and charcoal blend. It goes so well with so many colored houses. So they have blue accents below a white house. Blue looks really, really good with New Sierra. Anytime I see a brown, a blue, a cream, or even a green house, I highly recommend New Sierra. It does have that depth of color. It brings some warmness, but it still has that charcoal in it that kind of grounds it, makes it look a little more earthy. Thanks for coming along with us on this tour. If you're an installer and you have jobs you want us to feature on our next tour, be sure to reach out. And in the meantime, please check out the rest of our videos, and we look forward to next time. Thank you. Good?